Okay, let's try 3 more examples. Maybe you have tried them on your own, maybe you haven't yet. But here we go. So when you look at A, you're going to notice that there's a negative x and a positive x. That means when you add these two equations together, those are going to eliminate. And that is your goal, is you're trying to find a variable that you can eliminate. So when you add these two together, 2y minus 3y is a negative y. And then, like I said, the negative x plus x, that equals 0, so they cancel. 5 plus negative 9 is a negative 4. Divide both sides by negative 1 and you get y equals 4. Once you know what y is, then you can plug it in. So I plugged it into the top equation. 2 times 4 minus x equals 5. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 minus x equals 5. Subtract both sides, or subtract 8 from both sides. You get negative x equals negative 3. So if you divide both sides by negative 1, you get x equals 3. So x is 3, y is 4. So your ordered pair would be 3, 4. Okay, now down here, well, I guess I should do B first, huh? So on B, these you need to rearrange. So I kept the top one the same, so 2x minus 4y equals 14. And then notice I just rearranged the second equation. So you always look in front of it, so the x is negative, and the y1 is, the 4y is positive. So it becomes a negative x plus 4y equals negative 3. Now, when you add negative 4y plus 4y, those are going to cancel. And that is your goal when you're trying to eliminate. You're eliminating one of the variables. 2x minus x is x. 14 minus 3 is 11. So x equals 11. That's only a one-step equation there. So that's pretty cool. And then you can plug in x equals 11. So I plugged it into the top equation. 2 times 11 is 22. Minus 4y equals 14. Subtract 22 from both sides. You get negative 8. Divide both sides by negative 4. And you get y equals 2. So x is 11, y is 2. And finally on C, if you look here just the way it is, it's 4y and 4y. So if you just tried to do what it said, you would add these equations. You would get 5x plus 8y equals 3. And well, that doesn't cancel anything out. You're not eliminating, therefore that wouldn't make sense. But if you subtract, 3x minus 2x is x. 4y minus 4y is 0, so they cancel. 1 minus 2 is negative 1, so x equals a negative 1. When you plug that in, I chose the first equation again. 3 times negative 1 is a negative 3. Negative 3 plus 4y equals 1. Add 3y to both sides, and now you have 4y equals 4. Divide both sides by 4, and you get y equals 1. So x is negative 1, and y is 1. Hopefully you are enjoying elimination.